Hello and welcome to the English Growth, where learning real-life English feels natural and simple.
I'm Sarah, and today we're talking about something warm, cheerful, and full of smiles. How to greet your neighbors and people during Christmas time.
Yes, because the Christmas season isn't just about gifts or decorations, it's about kindness, little moments, and friendly English that connects people.
Exactly. You don't need perfect grammar or big vocabulary. You just need warmth in your words and confidence in your tone.
Let's start with the days before Christmas, when the air feels festive, but everyone's still busy decorating or shopping.
That's right. Imagine you step outside and your neighbor is putting up lights or hanging a wreath on their door. You smile and say, "Hi there, getting ready for Christmas?"
It's short, friendly, and perfect for the moment.
And if they reply, "Oh yes, trying to untangle these lights again," you can laugh lightly and say, "That's the hardest part every year."
Small talk like this doesn't need effort. It's natural and simple.
Here are a few other phrases you can use. "Everything looks so festive," or "Your decorations are beautiful." "Almost ready for the holidays?" Or "It's getting busy, isn't it?"
Notice how all of them sound polite and cheerful. They aren't personal, just friendly observations.
And remember, tone matters more than grammar. Say them with a smile and gentle voice.
Compliments are another great way to connect.
Yes. For example, "Your home looks so cozy," or "Those lights look wonderful at night."
English speakers often use simple, genuine compliments, nothing too strong or formal.
And if someone compliments you, you can simply say, "Thank you, that's kind of you," or "Thanks, I'm glad you like it."
Around this time, people also talk about weather. It's a safe topic anywhere.
Exactly. You can say, "It's finally feeling like winter," or "Feels like Christmas is coming soon."
These sentences help you sound natural without trying too hard.
The goal isn't deep conversation, just small, warm exchanges that spread good energy.
Let's try a short example conversation. Morning, your decorations look great.
"Thank you. Still finishing a few things."
They're turning out lovely. The whole street looks so festive.
It really does. I love this time of year.
See? Just 4 lines, friendly, simple, and real.
And when it's time to end the chat, say something like, "Have a great day," or "Enjoy the season," or "See you before Christmas."
Those short goodbyes keep the tone positive and polite.
So, before Christmas, remember these 4 golden steps. 1. Greet first. "Hi, getting ready for Christmas?" 2. Add a small compliment. "Your lights look great." 3. Keep it light. Talk about the season or weather. 4. End warmly. "Take care. Enjoy the holidays."
That's how you sound confident and friendly in real-life English.
Exactly. Christmas English isn't about rules. It's about warmth, rhythm, and kindness.
Beautifully said. Now that you know how to greet before Christmas, let's move to the most joyful part, Christmas Day itself. Ready for it? Let's go there next. So, it's finally Christmas Day. The lights are glowing, the streets are calm, and everyone seems to be smiling a little more.
Yes, it's that time when even short greetings feel special. You don't need long conversations. Just a few warm words can brighten someone's day.
Exactly. The simplest and most beautiful greeting is, of course, Merry Christmas.
And when someone says it to you, the best reply is, "Merry Christmas to you too!" Cheerful, natural, and complete.
You can also use Happy Holidays, which is more general and friendly to everyone.
Yes, many people use both together. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. It sounds open, polite, and kind.
Let's try a short example of how that can sound in a real conversation. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to you too. How's your day going?
Lovely. Just relaxing with family.
That's the best way to celebrate.
See how natural that flow feels? 4 lines full of warmth and rhythm.
You can also add small details or compliments to make your greeting more personal.
For example, your home looks beautiful today. Or, the decorations on your door are so pretty.
These little compliments sound friendly and thoughtful. Just keep them simple and sincere.
During the day, people also exchange small gifts, like cookies, candles, or cards.
And that's another great time to practice your polite English. Let's go through a few lines you can use.
This is just a small gift for you. Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you so much. That's very kind.
Hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. Merry Christmas to you too.
Perfect. Short, clear, warm.
Notice that none of these sentences sound too formal or serious.
Right. English during Christmas should sound gentle and easy. The feeling is more important than the grammar.
If you forget words, just smile and say, Merry Christmas. It's always enough.
Around this time, people also like to talk about food or plans.
You can ask, are you having a family dinner tonight? Or big plans for the evening?
And if someone asks you, you can reply naturally. Just a quiet night at home. Or having dinner with friends. Small answers, calm tone, that's real conversation. When you finish talking, end kindly. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful Christmas. Take care. See you soon.
And of course, the easiest and most natural ending is, you too.
So, on Christmas Day, 1. Start with Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. 2. Add a warm question or compliment. 3. If there's a gift, thank or offer politely. 4. End with cheer. You too, or enjoy the rest of your day.
That's the sound of real Christmas English. Short, kind, and full of joy.
Beautifully said. Now, once the big day is over, people still greet each other. They talk about how the holidays went and what's next.
Exactly. So let's learn how to greet and chat after Christmas as the new year approaches.
Christmas Day is past, the lights are still glowing, and the world feels a little slower.
Yes, it's that calm, cozy time between Christmas and New Year when people rest, reflect, and talk about how their holidays went.
It's also a perfect chance to greet your neighbors again, thank them for their kindness, and share good wishes for the new year.
Exactly. You don't need long talks, just gentle, warm English that shows care and friendliness.
When you meet someone after Christmas, the easiest way to start is, did you have a good Christmas?
Yes, that one question sounds natural and polite everywhere. Most people reply with something like, yes, it was lovely. How about you?
And then you can add, quiet but nice, or we just stayed home and relaxed.
It's an easy exchange, short, pleasant, and real.
Let's look at a few more sentences that work perfectly after Christmas. Hope you had a wonderful holiday. Did you enjoy your Christmas break? Everything calm after the big day? Feels nice to slow down a bit, doesn't it?
These are simple conversation openers that keep the festive warmth alive.
Around this time, people also start talking about New Year's plans.
Yes, it's one of the most common small talk topics in English. You can ask, any plans for New Year's Eve? Or, are you celebrating at home this year?
And if someone asks you, just reply naturally. Nothing big, just dinner with family, or planning a quiet night at home.
These answers sound confident, calm, and friendly. No need for fancy grammar.
Don't forget to thank people if they gave you a card, a message, or a small gift.
Right. You can say, thank you again for the lovely card, or your cookies were amazing.
Or even, I really appreciated your visit. It made the day feel special.
Gratitude makes English sound warm and genuine.
Now let's talk about the new year itself. The simplest greeting is, of course, Happy New Year.
Yes, and you can make it a bit richer with a wish, like Happy New Year, wishing you peace and good health, or hope this year brings you lots of happiness.
You can also say, Happy New Year. Hope it's a good one. Casual and cheerful.
The tone matters more than the words. Say it with a soft smile, and it always sounds right.
After January 1st, you can still greet people with short lines like, Happy New Year. How was your holiday? Or, back to normal already? Or, feels strange not seeing all the lights, doesn't it?
These small phrases help you keep conversations alive, even after the celebrations end.
And when you say goodbye, close with warmth. Take care. See you soon. Hope the year starts well for you. Wishing you a peaceful start to the year.
All of them sound natural, gentle, and friendly.
So, after Christmas and into the new year, 1. Ask light, caring questions like, did you have a good Christmas? 2. Thank people for any kindness they showed. 3. Wish them well for the year ahead. 4. End with a kind farewell.
That's how you keep the Christmas spirit alive, not just with decorations, but with language full of heart.
Exactly. Because English isn't only about words. It's about tone, warmth, and connection.
Beautifully said. So this season, share a smile, speak kindly, and let your words carry joy.
From both of us, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And remember, that's the true sound of the English growth.